right, guys, Eric and Kelly out here in Courtney Grove, which is an ICI community. It is a gated community out here in Silverleaf. Wanted to just bring you a short, quick little video to remind you that we do have some very large home sites that are still available. I do have incentives. I have all that good stuff. And the best part of all is our floor plans, we can customize them. So we can make them fit your family and your needs. So come out, visit me or Eric out in Courtney Grove in Silverleaf. Let us go take you out, show you the community, and show you what Silverleaf really has to offer. And FYI, I do have one inventory home that is almost ready to go. So if you don't have time to build and you're just looking for that perfect home, I just might have that perfect home that's backed up on a preserve. It is an Egret 7, a little over 2,800 square feet. It is a house that you need to come out and see, especially if you're in the market and you don't have time to build. Can't wait to see you. Look forward to talking to you soon. Have a great day. Bye.